means I'm gonna have to play as...
Holy shit! Ah!
What's up?
Nothing.
Over here. All I hear her use like spec. It's deep in concentration, guys.
Sorry, I'm like hard concentrating. I thought yours would be something lame, like
You know, I know we're not in the same match as you on stream, but we also need to hear your attack sounds.
Hooah! There. Okay, I defeated it. Whirr!
Yo!
I forgot. Ah! The spell. You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing, guys.
Oh my god, Del Blake, you also fell. I had the easy job of just pressing this button here.
Grr, smack, smack. I angry tank. This is me. This is my impersonation of Yuki. Grr.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! Who are you playing as?
Here we go.
Oh my god! We're the MVP!
Let's go!
Let's go! Okay, sorry. We need to be quiet.
Oh my god! Yes! Let's go! Breeze flirt.
If it breathes flirt, isn't that like Yuki's thing?
No, I don't flirt with...
She doesn't flirt with guys, you're right. She only does pretty girls.